is beautiful, and it's so like tall, and like this is like a bike that you would like to take it on a long like all-terrain type damn trip. Just man, Honda knew what they were doing with this damn bike. I like this. I can definitely see myself owning a bike like, oh man, I love this fucking bike. You crazy? This shit's sweet. Now I want to go buy me one now. Alright, so we are on the African Twin. This thing is fucking big. Woo, baby. Alright, so we're on the African Twin. Like, this is like my first, like, adventure style bike. And my homeboy was kind enough to let me ride his baby. So I want to take good care of it. I don't want to, you know, drop it or do anything dumb. But this bike feels good. And it has a dual clutch transmission. So I'm not used to that at all. But it is cool. It's cool. Like, this would be like a good bike just to go on a nice little adventure with. Holy moly, I like this. So yes, we're gonna just take a ride on the beachfront, get some miles on here, because he was kind enough to let me ride, which I'm kind of so surprised. Ooh, the suspension feels a lot better than my bike. Yeah, this bike of course is gonna be like 10 times better than my bike, because it has all like the bells and whistles and cruise control, and just the manual shifting is what's weird. But it's so weird that you don't have to shift. So weird you don't have to shift, which is kind of damn cool. I like it. It's just different. It's not like what you're like used to. Let's see which way do I want to go. I'm probably just gonna go like left. Well, just the automatic transmission is just weird, but it's cool. Let's go get some speed on this thing. Woo! Woo! Yeah, I can definitely, and the seat is comfortable. Holy, it's a lot better than my seat, because my seat is so, it's so like, I don't know, like my ass just feels so tucked in. Because you have all your cruise control right here. You have like your like you put it in D. There's like different types of modes. There's like off-road. There's off-road mode. There's like regular like urban mode, like the city life. Yeah, this thing is actually pretty damn nice. And just having like automatic transmission on a bike, it feels weird. Like you don't really have to like worry about shifting. Like my instinct is to just grab like the clutch lever when I like slow them down. I don't really have to. Yeah, this is like pretty comfortable. But I think like the most weirdest thing is not having to shift. It's just wild. It's like wow. Yeah, but I'm not gonna go too crazy on his damn bike, because I won't want nobody to do it on my bike, because I want to respect his property. Because like he told me, this is his baby, so I don't want to do anything dumb, because I wouldn't want nobody to do that to my bike. So I'm gonna treat it like it's my own, because I take care of my bike. And this bike is so like tall. It's so tall. The seat is comfortable. I can definitely see myself having a bike like this and going for like a long ride, because this is what this bike is made for those long type rides. Whew, and it's a nice, beautiful day to like be riding too. Like this is a bike that you get when you want to like explore, go off road, and see what the world has to offer. Yeah, I like this. I like this a lot, because I wouldn't mind getting like a bike like this or cruiser, one of the two. Like they're both like, I do want to ride a sports bike one of these days, but being able to ride like a different style of bike is pretty cool, because I wanted to expand my horizon with like the different type of bikes that are like out here. And you may take it on the bridge to see like this thing get up to like speed. Like I said before, I'm not gonna go crazy, because like I said, it's not my bike. So, but it's kind of relaxing not having to grab the clutch. And this like lever right here is the parking brake, because the only thing you have to do is just like drive and coast in a little city type part. Oh, this is like the place where there are a whole bunch of food spots and all that type of crap. That's a nice Beamer. That thing clean. Still recording? There we are. Just it being automatic just feels weird. Like it feels like I'm doing something wrong, but I'm not. This is what the bike is made to do. And I think this bike has, of course it's a 1000, so it has some oomph to it, that's for sure. And it rides like it does too. Man, it's pretty packed, because today's like a very like pretty day. So we're trying to get past all this crap. Come on now. Got a little stop sign. Ooh, and like she is tall, but I'm glad that I am tall, so it's not that really hard to like hit like a damn leg down. Yeah, this bike is nice. And all the bikes are out. I guess this is where all the folks like to be, because it's different. And it's a pretty busy day. The Blind Tiger, that place is like good. I'm not trying to do like a damn top speed run, but man, going back to it, this seat is comfortable. Oh, I feel so weird, but it's so like it's such. This is the type of bike you get, and you just want to just relax and just ride, or if you want to go off road, and you can. It wouldn't be a big deal. Yeah, so we're gonna go on that damn bridge, and then we're gonna make a little loop around, and I'll give y'all a little walk around of the bike. It's so comfortable, and it's like it's an easy going bike. Like you wouldn't think this was like a 1000cc bike. And I believe this is the 2023 African Twin. Oh, it rolled over that bump like it was nothing. That's amazing. I love it. I love it so damn much. All right, let's go. Baby can fly. Oh yeah. And it feels like I'm riding on like air. Like I'm just cruising. See, this gets me excited, because this bike, oh yeah. This is where she shines, and we're only going at 4,000 RPMs, which is crazy. Because I'm so used to my bike being like at 6,000, 8, stuff like that. And like when you're up to speed, it's like stable as hell. It feels nice. I can definitely see myself owning a bike like this, sure for sure. I like this. I like this a lot. Oh, African Twin. And I can only imagine how this thing is off-road. I can only imagine. Holy, it's probably a dream just to be cruising. Like, let's just ride. Just ride and have a good time and enjoy this beautiful bike. This thing is beautiful as hell. There we go. Yeah, this bike is nice. So now we're gonna stop and take a little walk around just to look at it. Find a place to stop on this beachfront. And the fact that it has automatic transmission is like so crazy. Ooh. Alright, there we have it, like the African Twin. Just look at this thing. This thing is beautiful. And it's so like tall, and like this is like a bike that you would like to take it on a long, like all-terrain type damn trip. Just, man, Honda knew what they were doing with this damn bike. I like this. I could definitely see myself owning a bike like this. Yeah, it's a 1100cc bike. So that motor right there, look, the dual clutch transmission, which I've seen before on the Honda Rebel E1100. So it may be the same style as that, but the Honda Rebel 1100 I think has a drive shaft transmission instead of like the typical chain, because this is more like off-road focus. But this bike is nice. I like everything about the bike. It rides smooth. That seat right there is like comfortable. If you were more on like the short side, it like may not be like the best forte for you, but like you can still like kind of handle this bike as long as you're confident with putting one leg down when you're at a stoplight. But overall, yeah, this bike is nice. And I appreciate my friend for letting me like ride this bike, because a lot of folks are uncomfortable with like folks riding their bike. With this bike, it's nice. So if you're in the market for an African Twin, I will highly recommend it if you want to take like a long distance ride, or just like ride around town like far. Third bike that I've ridden so far. I rode a Harley first, I rode my bike, and now this bike. And hopefully there's many more to like come, but as of now, I'm loving it so damn far, because I want to try all types of, because they're all just beautiful bikes. Take the bike back, but overall I like it. I have not used like the cruise control, because I just want to just be in full control of like the bike. But that dual clutch transmission is nice. Cause I'm used to driving like a manual car, and now I'm kind of used to like driving a manual bike. And this right here is nice. And she's a big girl too. And like I can like flat foot this bike because I have a 32-inch inseam. I'm 6 feet. So yeah, girl is nice. Girl is real nice. Real nice. All right, so let's get started. Woo! Do y'all hear that? Woo! Yeah, baby. She is nice. And like the only thing I do with this bike, here's like the parking brake if you were on like a hill. Here's your controls for like your screen. I'm not gonna mess with any of the controls in the screen because I don't want to mess up like things that he has. And you have your automatic and like manual mode. And you have your paddle shifters on like the back. There's one right here, and there's one right on there. So, and here's your cruise control and all that. And all you gotta do is put it in drive, and she's ready to go. When on automatic mode. All right, let's get going. And you just take off. Woo! Man, baby can roll. Woo! I love this bike. Shit. I love my bike too, but this bike is like a different beast. A different beast that is lovely. And this is my first like big bike. All right, let's try the cruise control because I'm curious how that works. So it's on right now, as you can see, that little indicator right there. So we're at 40. I tried to resume the previous when it's nothing set. So you put the set and she'll bring in, and she'll go 40 miles an hour. That is dope. And you can like increase it to like what you want. Oh yeah, I love this. I love this, man. This is nice. Cruise control. Yeah, I love it. Fuck. Now I want to go buy me one now. All right, let's turn that off and let's roll. Woo! Hondeezy. God damn, this is nice. This is real nice. Now I see why he loves this damn bike. Shit, I love this bike and I've been on it for like a damn just a few miles. I'm like, holy. And like big bikes don't scare me. As long as you have the fundamentals, no bike should scare you at all. I can definitely see myself going like across the country on this damn bike. Easily, because like you have the power to do what you want. You have cruise control. The seat is nice, and it's just, I don't know how big the gas tank is. I'm gonna have to do some research on that because I kind of did like a little bit of research before I rode the bike. So, woo! There we go. I like this, and it's so comfortable. Like it's so steady at like highway speeds. It's steady as hell. I thought my bike was comfortable. Hell no. And you know what I say? Any bike you can ride, even if you're a damn beginner. But where it tends to come at is like the throttle control. If you have discipline, you are A-okay. And like that's the main thing that distinguishes somebody who knows what they're doing to like someone who's like brand spanking new. It's how much they have control with that throttle. It's now we're on our way back. I want to bring his baby back to the house because he only has 630 miles, which is pretty freaking brand damn new. But this is not his like first bike. So, ooh, it's a nice Corvette. It's nice. And like it's such a, and like, you can like flick it too if you want. Like you can really flick this bike. And like it feels so light because like all of the weight is high, so you can easily flick this thing. Yeah, you can easily like swerve and like do a little U-turn and stuff like that. Oh yeah, it's not like a big old Harley or anything where all of the weight is like very low. I can definitely see myself going off-roading with this bike too. I would enjoy my damn self. Because when I was like looking at bikes, one bike that I saw was the Honda Rebel 1100, and that bike was sweet. Ooh, look at that damn bike. Now he is crossed over. Yeah, that's nice. That man riding that thing. Woo! I love it. Yeah, everybody who has a bike is out today because like it's a beautiful day. It was supposed to be like overcast, but you know how that tends to go. Like when I ride somebody's bike, I want to like respect their bike like it's on mine. I don't like the dog folk stuff because it's not mine. And I do like the screen it has, like you have like your little screen down here that just gives you like your speed and what what mode you're in, and then like how many miles you have, and then you have like your the splash screen up here that tells you everything else, because as you see, we're in urban mode. It gives you like your gas and how many RPMs this bad boy needs, which is not that much. But an automatic bike is actually pretty nice, because like then it gives you more time to just look around and like do things. The only thing you gotta do is just worry about like your throttle control, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, this bike will be good for all types of ride. It's like a one size fits all type damn bike, because you can like take a long road trip on this bike, or if you want to go off road, you can. There's nothing that this bike can't do. It can ride on the highway, it can ride on the dirt, it can ride in snow damn near if you wanted to. It has all the bells and like whistles that you would like pretty much ever need, and it's a Honda. So you know Honda is known for its reliability, so you don't have to worry about that. Hello? Yeah, I'm on my way back. Oh man, I love this fucking bike. You crazy? This shit's sweet! So yeah, like this bike is sweet, man. I'm gonna have to see how much this bike costs, cause like Luna may have to be out. I'm playing. I still love my bike, cause like, you know, it's my first. But this bike is like I see why like people like are like attracted to like sport bikes, but this bike is like just a different beast. It's a different beast, man. It's a beast that you can like do whatever you want. Like if I wanted to ride on like the like dirt right now, I could if I was in like the right mode. But it would definitely do it. Like it would definitely do it for sure. Like my tush kind of hurts like probably like 1 to 2%. But that's awesome because my ass is like fucking bony as hell. So but I think that's like most like stock like seats, like you can always like upgrade. Cause like with a bike like this, if you're off road, like you're gonna be standing up most of the time to kind of like get that pressure off the back of your off of your like back, so you won't like mess yourself up. But overall, I do like this bike, and while it's being so big, you can easily flick this thing like it's like it's nothing, which is crazy. I am grateful that he let me take his baby out, because like most people don't like to let people ride their like bikes, but I appreciate him very, very much for this, because it just opens my eyes to like different bikes that are out there. Like sports bikes are cool and all, but this bike, I would take comfort over speed any day. Oh shit, I hit the damn horn. Well, that damn works. See, I always do that. On like each bike that I get on, I'm always hitting the goddamn horn. Well, today was a good day. Spent some time with my friend, and as you saw, he let me roll his African Twin, and I did not suspect that at all. But that is a fun bike. Like that bike is different compared to this bike. Oh my goodness, it's like night and day, like night and day when you ride that damn bike. And I enjoyed every minute of that bike. Man, that was nice. It's real nice, and like the torque and the power on that bike is just different, man. And that was the third bike, like, cause I said this before, that was the third bike that I rode, and I enjoyed every minute of that. It kind of makes me want to get one of those bikes. But yeah, that bike was fun. I enjoyed myself a lot, and I'm very grateful that he let me like ride his baby. Like many people don't let folks ride their babies at all, but I'm glad that he let me ride, because that was a different experience that I need to experience, because now I kind of want me a bike like that. That was fun. That was real fun. But that's pretty much all I have for today. I just wanted to like show a video of me riding that bike, and I'll catch y'all for the next one. And I don't know what we're going to do, but we'll do something cool, I hope. Until next time, peace.